Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this special Tesla style screen for Outlander Tesla style screen, and it comes with special harness and harness. There are two harnesses will come with the head unit. You can check one of the harness. And the cameras use the same, just harness is different. Okay, so plug and play. This front UI interface for the Outlander has this AC information control, air climate, okay, and let me check the settings. Most settings is built in the Wi-Fi. You can open the Wi-Fi and connect the Wi-Fi. Just connect, and it will show Wi-Fi. This Wi-Fi connected. You can visit the website, our website. And you can put our website belsee.com, belsee.com. Okay, if you have any more questions, please just contact to our website, and it's built in the Google navigation. It's radio. You can click the radio, search the radio stations. You need to use the original that radio antenna, factory radio antenna insert in our back of head unit. Okay, and music, a video. Let me check the settings. It's navigation, apps, GPS, data and time, language. This DSP amplifier, and balance, EQ, bass, sound filter, okay, and day and night. These settings speed and temp, you can choose it. Okay, this information, and this boot logo, you can set the boot logo. Okay, and firstly let me introduce the Bluetooth. It's already built in the PX6 chip. You can check this PX chip, and Android 9 latest system, PX6. Okay, first let me introduce the Bluetooth. Bluetooth. This you can click this for full screen. Bluetooth is full screen. Okay, and easy enable Bluetooth from your phone at first. Enable the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay, find the Bluetooth device and just searching, and choose it click. Your phone will get message. Please click pair and connected Bluetooth. Show Bluetooth icon. You can make phone call. This contact list you can allow or refuse. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, it works with Bluetooth phone call. It works with streaming music from your phone. Beat music. You can check. Okay, it works with Bluetooth free phone call and streaming music. Okay, and this custom and this is our website. If you have any more questions, please just visit our website to contact us, belsee.com, or apps like here. It's built in the Play Store, and the link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto Car Auto. The link app wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, let me show the music. You can connect they come with two USB cable, and external mics also come with one USB, total 3 USB on back, one of USB on back, total 3 USB already come with the head unit. Connect the USB drummer and you can choose the full screen. Choose the USB. It plays the music. Adjust the sound. You can adjust this DSP amplifier. And the EQ, you can adjust the sound balance for okay, this music is random. Okay, and this Bluetooth, this consoles the factory settings. And video, let me check the movie, and you can check it can't watching movie. Video is disabled for your safety, so you need to set it in the settings. These settings, find the settings and user settings. There is a brake. Please off brake detect off. Okay, and then you play the video. You can check. You can play the video. This up and down. Okay, and this full screen. This PIP screen. Picture in picture. Okay, you can play the Iceland. And full screen. Those buttons for the original connection, this dangerous button, auto, and other buttons you can check. And this AC control information, it will display the original AC information. Air climate, okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please just contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com to contact to us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.